Good morning, Smoky Mountain Railways. Give you a little lay update of. Has been a couple of weeks since my last posted update. First and foremost, I set up a new upper level. Lit up here by my Santa Fe. It's got a cascade all the way around. You can follow the main line. Is it a crossover over my industrial area here? And it's going to connect into my upper track that's sitting here with a switch. Lionel track that's up on the other side, that is only going to be temporarily installed. That's also going to be all fast track. That's the main part of the update right there. The second part of the update, you notice that the other fast track that was sitting there, that was in the larger circumference of the room. Took it down, shortened it, gives it a better look. And of course I took all these tracks down. Even off the main table, I took the tracks down and installed some black matting. Got black matting installed. And I got all my classic cars buried in the corner. I got Eleanor buried in the corner over there. And for indoor lighting, if anybody's interested, I'm going to pull these out so you can get a better look. You go to your local hardware store, outdoor furniture area, they have lighting you can pick up that you can actually put into your layouts. These are little plastic lightings that come with the kit. You put them on a string and they clamp down anywhere along that wire. This wire goes about 4 to 5 feet long. Plenty of, and you can buy the lights separately too. I'll show you a box of that at a later time. Sometime I'll post that maybe tonight, so you know what box that is. But that wire, about 8 feet long, you can buy the bulbs. They're perfect. And they're LED. And furthermore, more of the update here. We got to keep going. We added some more cars to the layout. We got a brand new police car that I've added sitting here. And we got a Channel 3 News. I was hoping for Tampa Bay, but I'm still hunting. I don't think they make one, but it'd be nice if they did. And the fast track, or the, excuse my French, the HO, and my switcher, I took that off. I was doing some work. That's going to be assembled in a couple hours. And we got some more black matting down here. And I have to get a bulb put in here. I wish I have over there. I'm going to assemble that in a few minutes. But this is what you guys couldn't see. Why? Here's all my passenger cars that you guys couldn't see. I got Norfolk and Western. I got some Pullman cars. I got some Santa Fe cars. And here's my 2 Norfolk and Western steam engines. This, I was wrong, is not a Challenger. That is a Allegheny brass hybrid. And this is my DCC engine. My other Santa Fe engine over here. I got my Union Pacific. We got my New York Central sitting over here. And I got my Pennsylvania over here. I got another big boy, tender, which I have the big boy in the shop right now. That's why I'm waiting on to get the Allegheny in there to get that repaired. And my host of all my box cars, and all my tankers, my open bay, my flats. And what else do we have over here? We have a Union Pacific, which will be being pulled by my big boy. My big boy is being upgraded. That's why it's not currently here. It did come in last month. It's being upgraded. And we got some more down here. My Santa Fe and my 226. I should go into the shop to get fixed. And furthermore, we're going to keep on going. I have in my possession, for anybody who lives in the Tampa Bay area, if you would like this Real Tracks, I got these in the lot. I've not used them. I have no interest in using them at this present time. So if you want these for free, shoot me a message. I'll give you my address. Come down, pick them up, free and clear. What else we got going on today? Not much really. Got some new fire trucks. I got some new paramedic trucks sitting over here. Got another ambulance. Looks like a European model. What else we got going on? Not really much other than that. I'm eventually going to tear out this green matting. It's going to come out. Doesn't really work well with black. Other than that, same old, same old. I'll get you some train running for you guys.
We are up and running. Let's get this train made up. It's about time to head out. Are we clear to pull? All right, tender stopped off. Let's get moving.
Love this engine. Beautiful smoker. Let him run a while. Gotta install some new lighting. Alright, here we go. Go for a little walk. We're gonna do a little repair work here. Install my little bulb down here. I'm gonna put you guys down for a little bit.